Hello and welcome back to the channel. What I have for you today, it's an Apex, not this Apex. This Apex is an Apex 5-pin with a sidebar. No, what I have for you today is an Apex 7-pin with 7 passive pins. Here are the keys, side by side to each other. As you can see, the 7-pin one is longer from the shoulder. Okay, so now you want to see the cylinder. Here is the cylinder, shiny shiny. It's got a hologram that says Apex on the side of it with 3 pictures, one of a padlock, a door handle, and looks like a knob from a knob set. I'm just presuming. Apex on the front. And before you ask, no, this does not go into the same keyway. So let's get this in the vise. Nice in the vise. Once you get the key, stick the key in the lock. As you hear, sounds pretty good. Smooth. Very nice smooth action. Okay. So we're going to be single pin picking it. Tension tool with moderate tension, and this is a number 4 on the hook. So I'm making sure I'm right over to the edge. Right, here we go. Number 1, click, 2, click, 3, click, 4, click from 4, click, 5, click, 6, click from 6, 6 and 7. Click from 7 and done. Click from 7. Job done. That there is the Apex. Let's bend down a bit there. The Apex 7-pin with 7 passive pins. Cheers. Thanks for watching.